In this video, I'm going to show you how to add extensions in Firefox browser. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Just go ahead and open up Mozilla Firefox. This will be a quick and easy process. And now go ahead to the search tab. Just type in Firefox extensions, and the best match is go ahead and open that up. And then just go ahead and click on the first link, Firefox Add-ons. And now we are on the extension page, as you can see here. You can see all the different types of extensions. You can just go ahead at the top and search for the ones you like. You can go ahead search by categories, as you can see, or by themes. Just click on it, and you will see by different themes. Now let's go ahead and back to extensions. There's recommended extensions, top-rated ones, trending ones, and the categories. Now let's go ahead to categories, choose one of them. Let's go ahead and click on other. And from here, you should see all the different types of extensions you may need. The extensions on Firefox are named add-ons, but they are the same. So you can see there are a lot of extensions here. Or now you can go ahead and choose your extension. Just go ahead and click on the ones you want. Then click on Add to Firefox. And after that, just go ahead and click on Add. As you can see, it's an easy process. Click on OK. And then the extension should be activated by itself. Or just go to the puzzle piece on the top right. Click on the gear icon if you want to disable it. Just go ahead and click on Remove Extension or Manage Extensions. Go ahead, click on Manage Extension. And you can disable it manually, as you can see from here, or enable it as well. And this was how to add extensions in Firefox browser. You can go ahead and close out of Firefox. As always, thank you for watching.